Hey everyone, let's convert the above infix expression into the postfix. So here we have our infix expression. We are going to convert it into the postfix. Now let's make three columns. The first one is a symbol, the second one is a stack, and third one is a postfix expression. Okay, now here we are going to scan each and every symbol starting from left to right. Then if operand comes, then we push it into the postfix expression. If the operator comes, then we push it into the stack. So the first symbol is A. A is an operand, so it directly goes into the postfix expression. The second one is a plus. It goes into the stack. Here is a A. Then it comes the left parenthesis. So left parenthesis is an operator, so it goes into the stack. Here is a A. The next one is a B. B is an operand, so it goes into the postfix expression, and here we have plus and left parenthesis. Now the next symbol is a multiplication. So in our stack there is a plus, left parenthesis and multiplication, and here is a AB. The next symbol is C. C is an operand, so it directly goes into the postfix expression. Okay, the next one is a minus. In stack we already have plus, left parenthesis, multiplication, and if we insert minus here, then minus has low priority than multiplication, so both cannot stay together in stack. So for that we have to first remove multiplication and then we place minus. Okay, now we have the next symbol, that is again left parenthesis here. So in our stack, plus, left parenthesis, minus, and again left parenthesis, and postfix expression is ABC multiplication. The next symbol is D. So D is an operand, it directly goes into the postfix expression, and in stack we have these symbols. The next one is a division. Division is an operator, so it directly goes into the stack, and here as it is. Okay, now the next symbol is E. E is an operand. In stack we have plus, left parenthesis, minus, left parenthesis, division. E goes to the postfix expression, so the expression is ABC multiplication D E. Okay, the next symbol is exponential operator. Exponential operator goes into the stack, so here division and exponential. As exponential operator has high priority than division, so both can stay together in stack. Now our expression is ABC multiplication DE. The next symbol we are going to scan is F. F is an operand, so it goes into the expression DEF. Stack is as it is. Now we have a right parenthesis. So right parenthesis here in our stack, plus, left parenthesis, minus, left parenthesis, division, exponential, and right parenthesis. And the expression is ABC multiplication DEF. Now here in between left parenthesis and right parenthesis there are two operators. One is a division and the second one is a exponential. So it get cancelled. So the expression is ABC multiplication DEF. The topmost operator is exponential, so it get pop first and then division. So our stack has plus, left parenthesis and minus. The next symbol we are going to scan is multiplication. Okay, so multiplication goes here. Multiplication has highest priority than minus, so both can stay together in stack. The next symbol is a G. G directly goes into the postfix expression. So here ABC multiplication DEF exponential division G. Here we have plus, left parenthesis, minus, and multiplication. Now the next symbol is left parenthesis. So left parenthesis goes into the stack. So here is a plus, left parenthesis, minus, multiplication, right parenthesis, and the expression is ABC multiplication DEF exponential division G. Now minus and multiplication both are in between left and right parentheses, so it get cancelled. So the topmost operator get pop first and then minus. Now the next symbol we are going to scan is multiplication. So here is already plus, then we insert multiplication into the stack and we have expression ABC multiplication DEF exponential division G multiplication minus. Now the last symbol we are going to scan is H. Here we have plus and multiplication. So the postfix expression is ABC multiplication DEF exponential division G multiplication minus H. H is an operand, so it goes into the postfix expression. Now we have only two operators remaining in our stack. We reach up to the end of expression. So pop both these operators. The topmost operator is multiplication, so we pop it first and then plus. So the final expression is ABC multiplication DEF exponential division G multiplication minus H multiplication plus. So this is our final postfix expression.